welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can fix the dead pixels on your iPhone. What I mean from dead pixels, that you have found any spot on your screen or any pixels up and down which you think it's from a software perspective. You need to just hard reset your phone by pressing the volume button up and volume button down and keep holding the power button. It will automatically restart your phone. Another way which you need to check is just go to the settings. Now after going to the settings, you need to go to the general and then you need to go to the software update. Make sure you have the latest software into your phone. Even though if this error still didn't proceed, you need to just shut down the screen and then reopen the screen just by clicking the power button from the right corner and then reopen the screen like this. If the error still persists, we'll proceed for the hard reset, which is volume button up and volume button down. Volume button up from here, as you can see here, volume button up, volume button down, and keep holding the power button from the right corner. You need to hold your phone like this, volume button up, volume button down, and holding the power button. It will take about 5 to 10 seconds to actually reset the phone. Keep holding the power button just like this, and a screen will go black like this and an Apple logo will come up. You can release your finger and your phone sorry, I think yes, it's come back. The Apple logo came back and it is just hard resetted the phone. It will take for a while to actually preload the phone, like for 10 to 15 seconds. I don't know why it took longer than that. And that's how your screen will come back, and most probably it will fix the dead pixel issues on your iPhone. If the issue still persists, you need to visit the Apple store or any hardware related problem to the repairing shop and check out the display hardware or any other thing which is related to the hardware, not the software. I hope this video helps you out in figuring or fixing the issue. If you still have any other question, just let me know. I'll try to cover in upcoming videos. Bye bye.